The 2017 Ford F-150 receives a comprehensive mechanical refresh in one new model, the hotly anticipated F-150 Raptor. Ford's street-legal desert truck continues the Raptor's reputation for world-beating off-road prowess, including all-new Fox internal bypass shocks front and rear, nearly 2 additional inches of suspension travel compared to the previous Raptor, and a high-output 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 that Ford promises will make more torque than the previous Raptor's 36.2-liter V8. The Raptor's engine changes are shared with the rest of the 2017 Ford F-150 lineup. Output for the new 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 is rated at 375 horsepower and an amazing 470 pounds-to-foot of torque, up from 365 ponies and 420 pounds-to-foot for the previous generation engine. Mated to the engine will be Ford's new 10-speed automatic transmission, shared with the Raptor. The 10-speed transmission is built using a variety of advanced alloys, permitting lighter weight, greater operating efficiency, and increased performance. 3 overdrive gears and a bigger ratio spread mean it will be easy to keep the 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, which gets exclusive rights to the 10-speed transmission, at least for now, performing in its optimal rev range.